Namaskar to all of you. Today we are going to solve one problem of exercise 2.3 of class 10th that is based on division algorithms for polynomials. Problem is, this is given polynomial. Its two zeros are given, first and second, and we have to find out remaining other zeros. This is given polynomial is bi-quadratic polynomial because its variable's highest power is 4. So this is bi-quadratic polynomial. Degree is 4. Now we know that if highest degree is 4, then zeros, maximum number of zeros is equal to 4. Maximum number of zeros is equal to 4. Two zeros are given, so we will find out other two zeros. Given two zeros are this. आप ऐसे समझें, if 3 is a 0, अगर 3 एक 0 है तो x minus 3 हमारा फैक्टर होता है, यस. और अगर रिवर्स में समझें तो x minus 3 अगर फैक्टर है, if x minus 3 is a factor and that is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3, वो हमारे पोलिनोमियल की 0 होती है. सिमिलरली if minus 5 is a 0, then factor will be x minus 5. yes. अगर -5 एक 0 है तो फैक्टर होगा x माइनस -5, दैट इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 5. और अगर इसको आप अब रिवर्स में समझना चाहें, अगर x माइनस 5 एक फैक्टर है तो x इज इक्वल टू -5 विल बी 0. तो अपनी गिवन प्रॉब्लम में √5/3 एक 0 है, सो x माइनस √5/3 एक फैक्टर एंड x माइनस दिस -5/3 will be our factor, will be factors, that is equal to x minus 5/3. So x minus this 0 and x minus another 0, second 0, will be factors. We can write x minus √5/3 as it is, and it will be equal to x plus √5/3. This is a factor, is a factor. And you know a minus b and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square is a factor. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. It is equal to x square minus 5/3 is a factor of given polynomial. देखिए, जब हम किसी भी स्क्वायर रूट टर्म का, अंडर रूट टर्म का स्क्वायर करते हैं तो स्क्वायर रूट रिमूव हो जाता है, ओनली नंबर रिमेन्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 स्क्वायर रूट इज इक्वल टू 5. √5 square root means √5 into √5 is equal to 5. So this is a factor of given polynomial. और जब हम इस फैक्टर से x square minus 5/3 इस फैक्टर से गिवन पोलिनोमियल को, व्हाट इज गिवन पोलिनोमियल? 3x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 divide करेंगे, then we get one polynomial as quotient. Look here, for first term in quotient we will divide 3x raised to power 4 by x square. For first term 3x raised to power 4 by x square, we get 3x square. It is our first term in quotient. Now we will multiply this term to divisor. 3x square minus 5 by 3. 3x square multiply x square, we get 3x power 4 negative 3 से 3 कट जाएगा 5x square. So minus 5x square below the like term, under the like term, minus, and it will become plus, because in subtraction we changes the sign of down terms. Same algebraic terms, opposite sign, so these will cancel out. Here 6x cube plus 5 minus 2 plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Now it will work as dividend and highest degree is 3. So again it will be our first term of dividend and again divide by divisor's first term. Then we get 6. This is 6x cube. So we get 6x plus 6x is second term of quotient. Now we will multiply 6x to divisor. So we get 6x cube minus 10x and same हम like terms के नीचे like terms write down करेंगे. Again in subtraction sign change. So these will cancel out. Now remainder is 3x square, again cancel out, minus 5. Now it will be our dividend and its divisor. So again 3x square divided by x square, we get plus 3, and here 3x square plus 3 minus 5 by 3 multiply, we get minus 5 as product, minus and plus, and remainder is 0. So now we get a quadratic polynomial in quotient 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Now since we have to find out 0, so first we will split the middle term 3x square plus, again same rule, मिडल टर्म को स्प्लिट करने के लिए ऐसे दो इंटीजर दो नंबर चाहिए जिनका सम 6 एंड प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल टू 9. 3 3 जा 9. सम इज इक्वल टू 6 एंड प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल टू 9. सो इट विल बी 3 and 3 because sum 6 and product 9. So plus 3x at the place of 6x we are writing 3x plus 3. Now इन दोनों टर्म्स में से हम 3x को कॉमन ले लेंगे. यहाँ पर x बचेगा प्लस 1, यहाँ से 1 कॉमन लेंगे, सॉरी यहाँ से 3 कॉमन लेंगे, देन x प्लस 1. सो we get 3x plus 3 and x plus 1. Students, these are factors of this quadratic polynomial. Now, to find out zeros, we will put our factors equal to 0. 3x plus 3, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Either 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. It gives 3x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to minus 1. Here x is equal to minus 3 divided by 3 minus 1. So minus 1 and minus 1 are remaining 2 0. Hence other two zeros are minus 1, minus 1. I think you get it. Now next question is question number 4 of exercise 2.3. On dividing x3 minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Respectively means quotient is x minus 2, qx is equal to x minus 2 and remainder rx is equal to minus 2x plus 4. On dividing, since we have to divide this polynomial, so it will be our dividend. Dividend, let px is equal to this, and we have to find out our divisor, that is equal to gx. So using division algorithm for polynomials, we know very well that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So our dividend is equal to this, is equal to quotient, is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we have to find out the value of gx. So using transposing method, we will carry this term, means rx minus 2x plus 4 in right hand side, and minus 2x will become positive plus 4 minus 4 is equal to gx into x minus 2 is equal to x cube as it is, because there is no other term of x cube, means no other term, no other like terms, also no other like terms for x square, but plus x plus 2x. So like terms will add and it becomes plus 3x plus 2 and minus 4. In addition, sign of bigger integer, bigger number, and their difference means minus 2 plus 4 plus 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Gx into x minus 2. Now we will take x minus 2 in left hand side. Since this is multiplication in right hand side, so in left hand side it will go in division. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is equal to gx. So after dividing, we can find out our value of divisor. So let's start division. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, and divisor is x minus 2. So for first term of quotient, we will divide dividend's first term x cube by divisor's first term by x. So we got x square. Now we will multiply this x square to our divisor. X square multiply by x minus 2. X square multiply x, x cube minus 2x square. And we will write below the like terms. 2x square. X square under the x square, x cube under x cube. Now for subtraction, we will change the sign. Same value but opposite sign, so cancel out. Now like terms but different numerical value. So x square as it is, minus 3 plus 2, sign of bigger number and their difference means 1, plus 3x minus 2. Now it is our dividend. So for next term in quotient, we will divide minus x square, first term of dividend, to first term of divisor. So we get minus x. It will be our second term of quotient. Now we will multiply minus x and x minus 2. Minus x multiply by x minus 2. So we get minus x square plus 2x. We will write this below the like terms. And again sign change, minus, cancel out x square to x square, minus x square plus x square cancel, plus 3x minus 2x. So it will be plus x minus 2, because sign of bigger number, bigger is 3, so sign positive and their difference 1, x minus 2. Now x minus 2 is divisor, x minus 2 is dividend. Clearly it will go on 1, x minus 2, x minus 2, and for subtraction again sign change and we get remainder 0. So after divide we get x square minus x plus 1 is equal to gx. Hence gx is equal to x square minus x plus 1, and it is our answer. If you get it, then please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you. Have a nice day.